Forget everything you knew about camper vans. Grand Design just dropped a 310 horsepower nuclear bomb on the market. Meet the 2027 Lineage LVT1. All-wheel drive, zero limits, and 100% pure off-road dominance. Forget everything you know about boring camper vans. Grand Design just dropped the ultimate 2027 Lineage LVT1 AWD beast. No road? No problem. This V6 EcoBoost absolute monster shreds sand like it's a personal playground.
All-wheel drive locked in. Deep mud, rain, or slick trails? This rig doesn't even flinch.
Punch the 3.5 twin-turbo V6 and feel 400 pound-feet of pure adrenaline.
Built on the Ford Transit Trail 350 chassis, pushing 310 horsepower, mated to a 10-speed auto.
Measuring 20 feet 11 inches long and 10 feet high, it packs a 25-gallon gas tank, hitting 15 mpg. Forget loud, trashy generators. You get 8.4 kilowatt hours of lithionics power and 360 watts of roof solar.
Step inside. See a stove here? Nope. That's an InvisaCook induction burner hidden straight under solid Italian porcelain.
Flip down the massive 54 by 80 Murphy bed, drop the built-in projector screen, and boom, mobile movie theater.
They ripped the ugly AC off the roof and tucked a 20,000 BTU stealth split system under the floor. Whisper quiet.
The Aquahaven wet bath gives you a literal spa-grade rainfall shower inside a sleek 21-foot rig. Pure flex. Pop open the roof tent to sleep 4. Plus, it's RVIA certified for maximum financing and resale value.
So what's the damage? Official MSRP locks in right around $206,538.
Would you take this over a Storyteller Overland? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more beasts.